Hey everyone! Are you tired of bulky PCs taking up space or slow laptops slowing you down? Trust me, you're not alone. Mini PCs are a smart solution. They're small, quiet, and powerful enough for everyday tasks. In this video, I'll show you some of the best mini PCs for home and office use. You can check the price and full details through the links in the description below. Let's get started. Product number 1. GMKtec G10 Mini PC. The GMKtec G10 Mini PC is perfect for anyone looking for a simple, everyday computer that fits neatly anywhere. It runs on an AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor, which makes browsing, watching YouTube, office tasks, and online classes smooth and reliable. Its compact design can sit easily on your desk or hide behind a monitor, keeping your workspace tidy. The system is quiet and cool, so long study or work sessions won't be noisy or distracting. It comes with Wi-Fi and LAN support, ensuring stable internet connections, and USB plus Type-C ports make plugging in keyboards, mice, and drives simple. You can even use multiple monitors, making multitasking a breeze. While it's not built for heavy gaming, light games and casual use run fine. Setup is straightforward. Just plug it in and start working without fuss. Final verdict: a dependable mini PC for students and home users who want smooth daily performance in a small, quiet, and easy-to-use system. Product number 2. Firebat A6 Mini PC. The Firebat A6 Mini PC is a compact powerhouse for users who need strong performance in a small package. It features an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, making multitasking seamless. Apps open instantly, switching between tasks feels effortless, and DDR5 memory with a fast SSD keeps everything running smoothly. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure fast and stable wireless connections, while the efficient cooling system keeps noise low during long hours of work. Despite its tiny size, it can handle heavy office workloads, creative projects, and light gaming with ease. The sleek, modern design looks professional on any desk, and power usage is optimized for long sessions. Final verdict: a powerful mini PC for professionals and power users who want high-speed performance, multitasking efficiency, and a quiet, compact system. Product number 3. GenMachine Ryzen 7 5800U Mini PC. The GenMachine Ryzen 7 5800U Mini PC strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency. Its 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor handles office work, browsing, streaming, and multitasking effortlessly. Windows 11 runs smoothly, giving a responsive and reliable experience for home or small office use. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, internet and wireless device connections are stable and fast. You can upgrade memory and storage for future needs. The system stays quiet and cool even during long hours, and its simple design fits perfectly on desks or shelves. Power usage is low, making it great for daily tasks without extra heat or noise. While not meant for high-end gaming, it performs superbly for professional work and casual use. Final verdict: a balanced and reliable mini PC for home and small office users who want quiet, efficient, and smooth multitasking. Product number 4. GMKtec G2 Mini PC. The GMKtec G2 Mini PC is ideal for those who need a small, energy-efficient system for basic work. Powered by an Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, it handles office software, browsing, video playback, and business tasks reliably. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, making it ready for professional use. DDR5 memory keeps daily tasks smooth, and Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth ensure stable wireless connections. Its tiny footprint allows placement anywhere, even behind monitors or on crowded desks. The system stays quiet and cool during long use, making it ideal for long working hours. While not designed for heavy workloads or gaming, it's perfect for reliable, simple office or home tasks. Final verdict: a quiet, low-power mini PC for office and business users who need stable and efficient performance for daily work. Product number 5. Beelink EQR7 Mini PC. The Beelink EQR7 Mini PC is designed for modern home and office users who want speed, stability, and a clean workspace. It features AMD Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 7735U processors, giving fast and smooth performance for browsing, office work, and media playback. DDR5 memory ensures quick app loading and effortless multitasking. Wi-Fi 6 keeps your internet connection stable, and the system remains very quiet even during long hours. The built-in power design reduces cable clutter, helping maintain a clean and organized desk. Its premium build quality adds a professional touch, and while it costs more than basic models, the performance and tidy design justify the price. Final verdict: a premium mini PC for fast, smooth daily work, perfect for business and home office users who want reliable performance, quiet operation, and a clean setup. That's all for today's video. I hope this helps you pick the right mini PC for your needs. I share helpful videos like this every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Check the links in the description for prices and full details. We've done our research to save you time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully selected based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability, so you can confidently choose the best mini PC. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll be happy to reply.